and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm on here looking like a freaking crazy person, but I'm actually reviewing the Sonia Kushuk beauty blender sponge, and this retail at Target was $10, and I have used this before and I have to say that I absolutely love it. I've already pre-damped it with water, but I love to go ahead and spray some of my Mario Badescu spray on it. You guys know that's my jazz. That's what I live by. So this is pretty soft. I haven't used it to apply my foundation before, but I have used it to apply my concealers, and I have to say it works like a freaking dream. You guys will see. This just works like such a dream. Look at how that blends. And the concealer that I'm using, guys, is actually the Fenty Beauty concealer. Guys, I love this. I just love this sponge. It makes blending out my concealers pretty easy, I have to say. And I'm gonna do the other side. If you guys notice, I did not use any on no concealer on my nose bridge, because this concealer is so freaking thick and pigmented that I always have some left over on my beauty blender sponge. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix that up. So I'm gonna go in. You guys see? So telling you, this sponge is like a freaking dream, and it's $10, so it's half the price as the beauty blender sponges, and not only is it half the price, it's half more size. So you guys can go ahead and cop that if you're interested. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my setting powder so you guys can see how that looks. Oh, I'm looking really refreshed. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and used the Sonia Kushuk beauty blender sponge and applied it on my face, and so far it blended it out amazingly. It applied the product very amazing. One thing I do love compared to my other beauty blender, my favorite beauty blender so far is the for my under eye would be the Fenty Beauty, because it has like a flat bridge where it gets up under my eye right there. So you guys can see I have like excessive fine lines, and that's because I wear glasses and I squint my eyes a lot, so that is what replicates it. But so far I think it applied it very beautiful. I do love that. So now I'm gonna go off camera, finish my look, come back with my final thoughts, my final reviews and everything for you guys. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I'm done beating my face, and what do I think of the Sonia Kushuk beauty blender? This one is freaking amazing. I did pick a smaller size up to conceal under my eyes, but it doesn't apply my makeup as good as the bigger one, the face one. This is just freaking amazing. It's freaking soft, glides under my eyes like so freaking perfect, butters out my concealer, and it just spreads smoothly like I'm applying some butter on some bread. So this is definitely approved by me to go out and cop, and I think I got it for like, I think it's like $6 and change, or probably $7 and change, but it's not expensive compared to the beauty blender sponges. Yo, you're getting like 2 times the size for under $10, so you can't beat that one. So anyhow guys, I love you all, and I will see you in my next video.